This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics Homework 5.1, questions 8 and 9. Tarzan swings on a 33-meter long vine, initially inclined at an angle of 41 degrees with the vertical. So here's my vine, here's Tarzan, initially inclined at 41 degrees. So there's my theta. What is his speed at the bottom of the swing if he, A, starts from rest? Well, he's going to start here, he's going to swing on down, he's going to wind up here. Well, if this is my length of 33 meters, then this is also my length of 33 meters. But he's going to wind up, if I draw this little triangle here, he's going to wind up this difference in height. Now, I have no direct way of calculating this, but I can figure out this side pretty easily. This right here is going to be L times, let's see, if that's theta, that's going to be cosine. L cosine theta is going to be this height here. So this one here, this h, is going to be my total length of the string, this, minus that much. So that's going to be my height. It's going to be that difference is what's important here. So up here, I've got some potential energy. Down here, I've got some kinetic energy. So I know that the PE at the top is going to equal my kinetic energy at the bottom because I can't fall anymore. So I'm going to have an mgh at the top equals 1/2 mv squared at the bottom. My h is going to be L minus L cosine theta. So my mass, I don't know, but that's good because I have mass in the beginning and at the end. So I've got a g of 9.81, a height of 33 minus 33 cosine of 41 equals 1/2 of my velocity squared, so I can solve for my velocity here. Question 9 says, what if he pushes off at the speed of 3 meters per second? What's that going to change? Well, what's that going to change is it doesn't change the height, but what it changes is my energy up top. So now, at the top, if I want to say that my energy at the top equals my energy at the bottom, well, at the top, now I've got some PE, but I've also got some KE. And at the bottom, I'm just going to have KE. So this the PE is going to be mgh like I had before. The KE is 1/2 m times that top velocity squared. It's going to equal 1/2 m, my bottom velocity squared. And again, you'll see that masses cancel out. This velocity is the velocity they give of 3 meters per second. So that's going to be 3 squared times 1/2. This g is going to be 9.8. My height I got up here, it's the 33 minus 33 cosine 41. So that's my, I'll just say h equals 1/2 v squared. So the difference here was that he also had some ke at the top. Here he didn't have any ke because he started from rest. And I can solve this for my velocity.